playing chicken gun again. Ooh, what is this? Never. Today we will be building now. Oh, wrong server. Yes, offline. What should I choose? Oh yeah, I should just use one of my saves and show you. Yes, YouTuber. So, this is a life of a YouTuber. They have a messy room and a computer with this pointing outside. That was not meant to be like that. It was meant to be like this. Let's see. Oh, I gotta fix my voice. Hello. This is Kokira. He makes a lot of paintings. And this is Kokira. He cooks a lot. And this is Gargoyle. He guards a lot. But this is a shower. So they cannot get infected. Let me try it. Wow, that's a beautiful painting. Oh, my house. Whoa. Yes? Let me get something here. Oh, a radio. Okay. Ooh, kite. Hmm. I should add more. I think I shouldn't. Whoa, what is this? Oh, I can't go inside. What is this? Oh, okay. What is that? Oh, it's just a hole. Ooh, what is this? This could be a house. It's so lonely here. And I will show you guys a secret. Just follow me. Follow the instructions. Always follow the instructions. Go here to this broken building. And if you see a painting anywhere, that's the secret. Maybe it's here. Oh, it's this. Look. So that's today for video. Bye guys.